So I recently did a post on my Facebook page about how I purchased a bra without a really good bra without an underwire for the first time. And so I decided that it was time to talk about undergarments. So I do recommend getting a bra without an underwire. So pretty much, I guess we've been told, many of us have been told our whole lives that you need an underwire for support. And you can go ahead and Google it yourself, but I guess that there's been studies recently that say that the people that have underwire bras are actually more prone to get breast cancer than those who do not wear bras or use ones without an underwire. So I of course have tons of bras, and I have been not wanting to spend the money, and finally, since I've been not wearing one very much around the house, but then I feel like I'm not really dressed if I don't have one on, but the underwire was too uncomfortable, I invested and got these two bras from, we'll call this one and this one here, actually. So I can link to those so that you can see. This one I actually kind of prefer. It's a little bit more comfortable. But I did get this one in flesh tone and black. And so the other thing as far as being camera ready, what I want to talk about is that, okay, listen, I'm going to tell you, nobody wants to see your nipples. Now, Americans, and probably I would say globally from what I know, I mean, we have really sexualized women's breasts. And that means it's distracting. So too much cleavage or your nipples showing through your garment is distracting to what's going on, to what's being said and what's in between your ears, which is your brain. So just neutralize it. Make sure that, this kind of bra that I got here, this would probably not be enough, and that there would be, that is why women with larger boobs wear padded bras, so that our nipples don't show. So I would recommend that. The other thing is they make bras in so many pretty colors, and that's all wonderful. But what you really need is a flesh tone bra, so that when you're wearing things that are slightly sheer, so that your dark bra or whatever color it is, pink, purple, blue, they come in so many pretty colors, is not showing through your light garment. So you want to, whatever flesh color you are, you want to make sure that you have a flesh tone bra. What else do I have to say? Oh, about bras. Well, a little cleavage is fine, but again, it's going to be distracting. So if you're in a professional setting, save it for your night out when you're going to go out and, it's not professional. And if you're in a conservative industry or not, and if that applies to you. So do what you think is appropriate. I will say, so given this neckline, if you are, let's say you're size D or above, you are more well endowed. And sometimes, especially maybe as we get older, it feels a little bit matronly. I mean, whatever your opinions are. So this particular neckline that I have on, I wore this because I was doing a video for Inform, and I felt like this was Inform red, and so I wanted to wear the brand color while I was doing the video for them. But this particular neckline is going to be a little bit more matronly than something that you're going to wear that's just a straight like a V-neck. That's going to be the most. I guess it's a. What is the word that I'm searching for? It's an optical illusion to have that V make it look like that you're not as big on top. So sometimes, that might be what you want to do. So if this doesn't apply to you, just, move on to the next one. But I thought that because I got such a great response from my Facebook post that I would actually do a video. So if you have been trying to tell someone that they need to wear a bra with more padding, maybe you can just share this video and they will get the message. Take care.